Good morning, it's 8:38, Tuesday, the 8th of Jan 2019. I'm gonna go through my plans for yesterday and today in 6E. Okay. Here is my scenarios. Scenario 1 in blue. Test lower and continue higher to 543 area. And the test low was to around the 460 area, which is this LVN. And that would have been about 70 points of range. So scenario 2 was test higher and sell off down to the key LVN. When I did the scenarios, the day was already underway. We had an hour and a bit of trading, where price was going up, a bit like scenario 2 or scenario 1 without the dip. So let's see what happened. Here we were at the time of the review, and it was actually an up and up kind of open. So we went to up to 550 in 3 jolts of move up, balance, move up, balance, move up, balance, move up, balance. 4 moves up followed by prolonged periods of balancing, a bit like a trend day. Price went to 550, and my expectation was for 546. And 546 would have been coming from the Sage VN. There was an LVN on the composite, which was filled in yesterday with this newly established VPOC. It's a bit longer. Further back, there is the one. This is the LVN. There. And see how the VPOC will just fill it in. So where we are is a perfect profile, and we've been there since the 7th of December, and probably a month before that, from the 11th, 12th of November, in the same balanced area. We keep exploring from the bottom to the top of the range. Explore the bottom, so there's a probability we'll explore the top of the range. So what's the scenarios for today? Today's trading. Scenario 1 in blue. Was when I did it yesterday evening. Scenario 1 was test higher and sell off to 498. This was, as you can see, played out already in the overnight. There is the overnight. Second. Overnight, test higher, sell down to 498. That's exactly my scenario 1. My scenario 1 was test higher to 565 area, the previous weekly high. Price just one tick yesterday's. In the overnight price just one tick. The daily high and sold off down to 498. Considerable range for an overnight trade. About 60 points. So scenario one will be, in this case, now that we've played out my scenario 1 from yesterday, now that we're here, maintain my upward bias. Let's look at the overnight again. What is it telling us? What is it telling us? Okay. Maintaining the upward scenario, maintaining the upward probability. Balance the way we have already balanced in this high volume area from yesterday. This lower and then to 498. And extend to the upside, test the LVN, test the VPO from yesterday. Take out the previous day's high at 550 and test the previous week's high as per my scenario 1, but in reverse. Last night's scenario 1. Scenario 1. Scenario 2 in green. Balance the way we're balancing. And if we have a continuation down leg of the overnight move, follow the sentiment, which is quite bearish overnight. Test higher and extend the range to the downside. Test the most traded price of the whole balanced area at 470. Balance here job. And go back up in the afternoon to form a balanced day with a downward skew. This level of 4516 is the epoch of these 2 days. Three days. So price, if it gets there, it's likely to get tangled. And the most traded price of the whole range is 470. Down here, so a lot of balancing is expected when we get to the area between 470 and 475. Scenario 2. I had scenarios 3 and 4 that showed us a balanced day starting from this VPOC, MC VPOC at 516 up to 586 level, and scenario 3 was test lower with a down and down move before we get to 586, and scenario 4 was go up first to 586 and then sell off down to 516. Which will correspond to today's scenario 1. So that's all I have. We'll do it again tomorrow.